Welcome back to Fish Under Sail. This week is all about enjoying life. After 20 anchorages, 1,532 miles, 136 days, and way too much money spent, we finally made it to Lapaz. All we need to do is check in and then set sail. If you've missed our journey down Baja California, don't forget to check it out. Let's dive in. Hi, we are Natasha and Kyle, and welcome to Fish Under Sail. We're living our dream on our Nauticat 43 sailboat, sailing, diving, fishing, and tackling boat projects as we explore the world. With Kyle's expertise as a fishing guide and aircraft mechanic, and my background as a diving instructor, we're all about adventure, learning, and making the most out of life at sea. Whether you're here for some sailing tips, epic dives, or just the adventure, we're glad you're joining us. Don't forget to subscribe and join us as we chase the horizon. As soon as we arrived in Lapaz, we took our dinghy down to the marina to begin our check-in process. It's about a kilometer walk from the docks to the immigration office, so make sure you bring your passport, boat papers, and a small fee for the cruising permit. After a quick walk, we checked in, got our stamps, and now we're officially on track for our Lapaz adventure.
This is the first time since we bought the boat that I don't feel rushed at all. We're in Lapaz, it's beautiful, anchoring here is easy, services are available. We've got a million anchorages all around us for fun, great place to work on the boat. Things are good. We've adopted a dog. We should really think about getting a dog.
Remember this moment, it's pretty important.
A dog.
We're getting ready in 2 days. We're gonna go north to some beautiful islands called Espiritu Santo, and there's all kinds of diving and fishing and whale sharks and all kinds of things up there. So we're trying to load up. We need some gasoline, we need some propane, we need probably a bunch of trips of water, and then we're gonna head up there Sunday and come back next Saturday and get to work on the boat.
Hey Olive. Hi baby.
This is Olive and John. We first met them when we got to Ensenada. They came down with the Ha Ha group. He has invited us to one of their events tonight.
Cute. Aww.
The Baja Ha Ha is an annual cruising rally that takes hundreds of sailboats from San Diego down to Cabo San Lucas, Mexico.
There she goes. Well, we did something. Let's see how that turns out. I don't know if we needed to add more complexity to our lives right now, but she was free and given away, and it's like the perfect mix of a water dog for us, so there she goes.
Are we dumb?
I'm gonna cry. This is Tiki. We found her at a local swap meet where a woman was trying to rehome puppies she couldn't keep. We weren't really looking for a dog, but somehow she became our little boat captain.
All right, we are out of here. We got the dinghy in tow. We got the new sailor dog hanging out. Everybody's hung over from a big sailor get together last night, and we are on the way to Espiritu Santo, a bunch of islands up north. We're coming out of Lapaz, and we're gonna anchor in a bunch of places up in here. Do some wreck diving and, you know, whatever else. But it looks like a beautiful week coming up, so we're gonna go take advantage of it and get back to Lapaz next week and start working.
This is officially Tiki's first sail. She did really well. She was a bit confused in the beginning, but she adapted very quickly.
All right, there it is. Nice little day sail away. It's Partida Cove in between two of these rocks on the island. So we get in there, find a good anchorage, and figure out what there is to do. It's gonna be cool. It's beautiful here. Beautiful. Look at this. This is a beautiful anchorage, as protected as it gets, surrounded on all sides almost by these giant rocks of the island. We got our buddy John here coming in. Gonna drop his anchor in a sec. Beautiful. Should be a good time. And while we were setting the anchor here, I was watching fish attack something right here on the surface, so I'm sure we're gonna be in the action here. Excited. You excited? You excited, baby? We're just here on anchor, and you can see over there, we've got a bunch of fish blowing up on the surface eating bait. Let's see if they come back around. See that? So we got the little 3.5 inch popper on. Let's see if we can get some surface action. Ah, they're just out of reach. Come on, bros. Oh, just out of reach.
So we are about 20 miles from Lapaz. We are 3 boats that came through. So we are in the middle over there. That's Solstice, a pilot that just started his travels, I think. And then that's Sahara. That's John. We met him in Ensenada. So we're just having a beautiful day right here. Beautiful. Carl is fishing. Happy as can be. Isla Espiritu Santo is a protected island in the Sea of Cortez, known for its red volcanic cliffs and unreal turquoise water. It's a UNESCO biosphere reserve, home to sea lions, hidden coves, and some of the clearest water in Baja. It feels completely wild, but it's only a short sail from town.
Alright, we went and checked stuff out this morning. We hit over there. There's a point of reefs and rocks that extends out from that point there. So we went down and did some free diving, saw quite a few fish, probably some good shooting fish, but I didn't take the spear. We were just getting the lay of the land. Now we got the hammock strung up on the bow, hanging out. There's the pup. And then, yeah, we're gonna relax and then have a barbecue later, I think. So, pretty good day. It's beautiful out here. There's John's boats over there. We're gonna go barbecue there. And, yeah, just hang out. Beautiful. Wait. Alright, we're trying to get her used to the water. Nice and young. She's scared, you think?
No, she's okay. It's just a bit cold. It's a bit cold, baby.
Hey, baby. Hey.
These are the hidden caves on the eastern side of Espiritu Santos. We took the dinghy across the bay, and as we slipped inside, the water turned turquoise, and the light reflected off the rock walls. It's like stepping into a secret world, one of the most beautiful spots we've seen.
Hanging out in the caves. I don't know what they're called, but we're in them.
Over thousands of years, wind and waves shaped the volcanic rock into caves. We're basically driving our dinghy through what used to be a volcano.
Now you scared. Pretty cool little beach. We just hiked up the backside of the mountain of the cove we're staying in. You can see all our boats anchored up down there. That was the beach we were on yesterday. And there's us, right out there. Pretty cool.
This is my first ever Thanksgiving, and we're going to go to a potluck tonight. So all these boats behind me will be joining us. I made a nice mac and cheese, and then I'm pretty excited. Hopefully I get some pumpkin pie.
It's right over on the beach over there. It's pretty cool. Oh, windy. That was it.
All around Espiritu Santos are these protected anchorages carved into volcanic rock. Each bay feels like its own little world, calm, sheltered, and surrounded by desert cliffs. And even though you're just a few miles from Lapaz, it feels completely remote. It's one of those rare places that still feel wild.
Sat down and then went off. All right, we are out of Espiritu Santos. We spent a week here. It's pretty fun. We did some hikes, checked out a lot of beaches, did some fishing, did a couple free dives. Yeah, it was a good time. We needed to relax and not do any boat work, not think about anything. So it was fun. We spent Thanksgiving out here. A bunch of boats made a potluck on the beach. So it's a good time. We're leaving this beautiful anchorage. We thought about staying here a while longer, but we have some scheduled stuff and we're getting some stainless steel work done. So we're on the way back to Lapaz today. We'll anchor up there and yeah, go from there, start working.
Hold on, you guys didn't actually think we had a whole week without any hiccups. When we got back to Lapaz, we dropped our anchor and hooked up an abandoned anchor and its chain. It was a stupid mess, but at least there's always people wanting to help you in Lapaz. Thanks for joining us as we explored Espiritu Santos. Next time, something completely unexpected happens, so stay tuned for that. And if you want to support our journey, you can join us on Patreon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't miss what's coming next.